Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will tell you about the reasons behind India and China face off. Before that I would like to tell you that as per government reports in this face off 20 Indian soldiers and 5 Chinese soldiers have been killed in Galwan Valley in Ladakh. So now let's see what are the reasons behind face off. So the number one reason, in certain areas on the boundary, India and China have different perceptions of the line of control, that is LAC. Number two, both the armies try and patrol up to their LAC, often resulting in face off. Now let's move towards the number three reason, that is tension have been running high on the border since reports of a scuffle between the soldiers at Pangao TSO Eastern Ladakh and Nakula in Sikkim a few months back. Now number four, both the armies have since deployed a large number of soldiers and heavy military equipment along the LAC. So these were the reason behind the India-China face-off. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, do like, share, subscribe and comment. Also don't forget to press bell icon.